Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy. I am a Close to My Heart independent consultant, and today I'm just going to give you an update. Now, I do have a piece of paper here that's just got some into updates on it. Alright, but I hope you've got your cup of tea because, you know, it's going to be a long video. Yeah, so I had my eye surgery and I've recovered from it. However, it did take a lot longer than I expected to recover from it, so that's why I haven't done a face-to-face video in a while. But I do have my new glasses, see, and there's got a little bit of bling on there because, you know, always got to have a little bit of bling. Alright, I also wanted to thank all the people that have subscribed to my channel. It's very much appreciated. Alright, so let's get into all these updates. Okay, so I don't know if you saw one of my videos, but I talked about a consultant card swap that I was part of. So yeah, I've actually got 2 cards that have come back. So I will just show you this. So the first one is this one here. And we had to use scraps. So she's used a load of scraps around here to create a border. Lots of tabs. And then the cute little koala in the middle there. How cute. And the other one is this one here. Now she's used triangles here and then folded it over to give that lovely effect here. That's really cool. I really like it. Alright, so they're the 2 cards that I've received. Now I do have a card class coming up on Sunday. So I just thought I'd show you the cards that we're making. We're going to be making this one, which is using the new timber paper. So yeah. And also we're going to be making one of these cards now. If you saw my last blog post, you would have seen these peekaboo cards. So, well, I think we're making this one. Alright, so if you can see, they've got a few different varieties on there. Alright, so that's those. Oh, and also in 2 weeks' time, I'm going on my scrapbooking retreat. So I'll bring you along so you can have a look at what we're doing, and hopefully we can have a look at some of the artwork that people are doing. I'll show you the area because the place that we're staying at, beautiful, especially at night time, because we get to overlook the city. So it's really nice. Alright, also let's move on to the specials. Start with the stamp of the month is is Floral Celebration. So it's this one here, which is the flower that I've used on these cards here. Alright, so that's that one, and this can be purchased for $9 with an $80 or more order, or it's $35. A new one called Kids Crafts, and this is available at the moment. Now you get so it's aimed at children, like obviously because it says Kids Craft. Close to My Heart on their official Facebook page is holding a kids virtual event, so it's going to be child friendly. So they'll be focusing on helping your children produce a little 4x4 album, and it talks all about themselves. It's got a little stamp set with it just there, and that it says I am silly, curious, proud, loved, talented. It's got be proud of who you are. And there's some Picture My Life cards here that you can use as well, and then you'll get one of these albums. So on the 22nd of August, if you want to go and have a look at the Close to My Heart official Facebook page, they will be doing this event and showing you how to put this together. The Happiest Place collection as well, that special is still going on. If you've seen one of my previous videos, I showed and I walked through how to put together a layout that I'm going to be using at the scrapbooking retreat. Alright, so moving on. We need to talk about some things that are retiring. So at the end of August, both of these catalogues are retiring. So this is the July August catalogue, so that'll be retiring. So that's still, things in here are still available until the end of the month, or unless they're sold out prior. And also this is the core catalogue. Now this is retiring as well at the end of August. Yeah, this one obviously lasts for a whole year, but it's retiring at the end of the month, and we're getting a new one. So if you wanted to have a look at the list of retiring products, they are on my Facebook page. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for my Facebook page, so you can go and have a look at, you know, once retiring. Obviously that is until stocks last. If, you know, I've had a look and I wanted some stuff, but it's already been sold out, so it's, you know, first in, best dressed really. We're also going to have 2 new catalogues. So we'll have the new quarter catalogue, and we'll also have a September-October catalogue. So I will do a walkthrough of both of those catalogues when we're allowed to. They will come up on the 1st because they're not available until the 1st of September, because the other catalogues are until the 31st of August. Alright, so I think that is all my updates. Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. I thought it was going to take longer than that. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, but before I do, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day.